Hi, my name is Raeanna Spahn. I'm an attorney with SQ Law. I practice personal injury at SQ Law and I help injured people. One of the questions I get is whether people's own insurance will cover their medical bills after a collision. And when you look at insurance, typically there are two types of insurance that someone may have on their own. One of them would be health insurance. Your own health insurance company should be paying for your medical bills. So you're always, welcome to submit. And most of the time, the provider will directly submit all of your medical bills to your health insurance provider. So usually that isn't a problem. However, your own auto insurance may also come into play. For example, if you are in a collision and let's just say either you caused the collision or the other person caused the collision, you may have something called medical payments coverage. That is optional and you could have a certain limit. It might be $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever it may be. You would have to check your policy. And that would pay for your medical bills regardless of who is at fault, which is super important because even if you cause the accident, you still may have medical bills that need to be paid for. So it's always important to see if you have medical payments coverage. If there is no medical payments coverage, the other person's if the other person caused the collision, they should be paying for your medical bills. However, there are certain situations where, unfortunately, the reality of the situation is that by law, people should have auto insurance, but some people don't for whatever reason. If that happens, or if they're underinsured or have no insurance, it's important to have insurance for yourself to make sure that you are covered, to make sure that you are protected. In that situation, if somebody else causes the collision and causes you bodily injury, you may have uninsured or underinsured motorists. If that is the case, your own auto insurance may help to pay for your medical bills in addition to pain and suffering or what else you have experienced in that collision and whatever damages you have from that collision. So that's another avenue as well for compensation. But that's something ideally you, number one, want to take a look at your policy, and number two, have a conversation with the attorney about to see what may be in play and how you can be helped.